Everyone, Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It's November 29th. We had the grains today. We had corn and wheat lower, with beans trying to stay a little higher, up about 1 3/4 pennies in the beans, back and forth of unchanged most of the session, but finishing in the green. We did have corn down 8 3/4 cents, with wheat down about 6 3/4 cents. So a lot of this, I think, had to do with export sales out this morning. They were negative for corn, beans, and wheat. But not only that, with corn and wheat, we do have first notice day coming up tomorrow for the December contract. I think that's adding a little pressure to that market as well. But also end of the month. So maybe we're getting a little bit of profit taken here since we did see a pretty decent rally coming up to this point. So we'll see if tomorrow is going to continue with this more choppy trade. We have seen a decent rally. But once again, you've got to start questioning, well, are we losing demand here again? Corn, if you remember back a few weeks ago, we were in a very distinct range. Well, we did have some big export sales last week, and the market shot back up again. Well, here we are with some weaker export sales today, and it's going to start that talk of, well, maybe we don't have the demand here at these levels yet. So we may get a little pullback here for corn as well, but watch that. It is end of the month tomorrow. It's also first notice day for those December contracts. That could keep the markets back and forth tomorrow. As far as some of the outside markets, the dollar down about 15 cents today. Crude oil rallying up $1.30. The stock market picking up about 48 points right now. So with the dollar being down, a little bit more positive here for some of these outside markets. The metals, they were sharply lower yesterday, gold and silver. Gold right now up about 10 bucks, silver up about 58 cents. So finding a nice recovery at this time. And if we continue to see the dollar weaken up, we may see a little more strength here out of these metals yet as well. As far as livestock, fat cattle up about 40 cents today. We did have 128 trade in Texas. We had a few thousand head trade there Monday. No additional sales as of yet, so we're going to continue to watch that here throughout the week, but we're still going off the sales made earlier at 128. So might try to keep things firmed up here if we can see some stronger sales again. But as far as hogs, down 10 cents for December, down about 70 cents for February. Now we did have a strong open today. Hog markets were higher and gave back all of their early gains and actually closing lower. So looking at the cash index, we've talked a lot about where these futures are at in relationship to the cash index. You got the cash index right now sitting at 79.42. So in this December, we got a few weeks left with it, still sitting up above that, right near that 83 level. So still about $3.5 above the cash. So watch that cash market. That's going to probably give us a sign here whether or not we can see this. The hogs take a little bit of a break right now, but they've been strong. The trends are up, and that's the main focus right now of these traders. So give us a call with questions on that. I'd be glad to go through that with you, let you know what's going on here, and keep you informed on most of these technicals as well. But you can reach us here at 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web at Allendale-inc.com. Hope you had a great day today. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Take care.